Azur, you have assumed yourself the representative of the nation. Sorry, you are not. You are a petitioner before us. Argue your case.
My Lord,
We don't assume to speak for the nation, nor can you speak for the nation.
My Lord, 184(3) proceedings, as a matter of fact, are meant for two important things. One, matter of public importance, and then breach of fundamental rights, that matter and its enforcement. So this is, I must say, this is relevant in any case at PAL. If you just permit me just one line, because it's very relevant. Ex-Prime Minister wants National Assembly to summon CJP, Chief Justice of Pakistan. I must say very respectfully, this...
Please do not say anything. That list is not before us. And you've not made the person a party. You cannot make allegations against somebody without making him a party or her a party. Please, we will not permit this.
Right, my Lord.
You can't use this forum as for a political debate. The media is available to you. You can go and give a talk on the media.
Lord, I am before your lordships on law and constitution. So therefore, my respectful submission is certain relevant facts which are admitted and publicly known. They are relevant because the proceedings
Please tell us what are those.
मैंने ये अर्ज की कि your lordship may permit me, we had an assembly of a lot of people right out on the Constitution Avenue. This is a background, my lord, in which this enactment was being passed by the assembly, and they had encroached upon the area which is within the ambit of your lordship, that is the judiciary. So that is why
ये point argue कीजिए ना कि पार्लियामान ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इख्तियारात सलब किए, ये कानूनी दलाइल दीजिए ना.
मैं इसलिए ये अर्ज कर रहा था कि ये बातें, ये सारे फैक्ट्स जो हैं, इसके अंदर ये कानून साजी की गई, इसीलिए बात चीज़ें रिलेट करना या आपके साथ रखना, लेकिन क्योंकि आप फरमाते हैं कि नहीं,
चलिए ठीक है, कानूनी बात कीजिए.
जी, मैं ये गुजारिश करना चाहूँगा कि ये केस जो बुनियादी तौर पे आपके सामने है, इसमें जो सवाल उठाए गए थे मुख्तलिफ, उसमें ये था कि ये बिल क्या ये इसको टेकअप किया जा सकता था 184(3) में. पहले तो मेंटेनेबिलिटी की बात थी, तो मैं ये गुजारिश करना चाहूँगा कि ये एक्ट इटसेल्फ, ये जो इसकी बिगिनिंग है, ये जाहिर कर रही है कि ये फंडामेंटल राइट्स के हवाले से ये इनैक्टमेंट की जा रही है. सो वी क्वेश्चन दिस इनैक्टमेंट ऑन दैट बेसिस. Maintainability definitely is there because it's a matter of public importance relating to the fundamental rights. Regarding the bill, my lord, there was a question as to whether a bill could have been brought before this honorable court for the purposes of adjudication under Article 184(3) at the time when it was not the act passed by the Parliament. I'll be just referring to HISBA bill, which was PLD 2005 Supreme Court 873. Elaborate, Lord, this bill has been discussed.
चौधरी साहब, if I may,
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.